My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Initiatehighlydevelopedtheproduct.vip. Initiatehighlydevelopedtheproduct.vip. It's a long name of the website indeed. The pop-up claims that you need to install some free antivirus to your Windows device. It may also display some other misleading pop-ups. For instance, it could mention that you need to update your Google Chrome to the latest version or to install some other software update. All these pop-ups are absolutely fake. They are not related to Windows, they are not related to Microsoft, they are not related to Chrome or any other browser. These pop-ups try to infect your computer and to make you download and install some junk software. So disregard whatever these pop-ups tell you. Don't install anything that they suggest. In case you have mistakenly installed any software, any fake updates, you need to carefully research the list of the programs, uninstall those items that are suspicious. In the same manner, go to the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.